Hey, what's up, you guys? Steph here from the Traveling Cookies. This weekend, we were gonna go and record the Sabrina the Teenage Witch High School, and now we're having a blizzard. We didn't know if it was actually going to happen because we've been told that we were going to get snow quite often in New Jersey this year, and we haven't really gotten any snow, but
apparently
we are getting 12 to 15 inches. Instead of going to film the Sabrina the Teenage Witch location for you, which we now can't do, I figured, why not just document the blizzard? Because, you know, that's fun, right? Mike right now is literally outside having a fire. I didn't go out there because, I don't know, I just didn't. He just knocked on the window as I was trying to record this for you, so I'm guessing he may have started his own opening.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? Mike from the Traveling Cookies.
we're getting hit with snow.
Just started about 7 here. Let me show you guys what's going on right now. Got a fire going. You can see some of the snow. This is just the beginning, people. I do not like the winter. I hate the cold. You just shrivel up. I put mad lotion on because your hands start to crack and it just sucks. I need that Florida weather. Where are my Floridians at? We're gonna vlog a little bit tomorrow, just kind of showing you what your typical blizzard in New Jersey looks like. I'm really hoping it's not that bad, but we'll see what happens.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna have a fun night. We're gonna have a fun night. We stay up. We're gonna hang out. We're gonna watch the blizzard accumulate. We'll get some footage of what it looks like now and how it progresses through the night. I'm gonna attempt to show you his fire. Is it out? Oh, no, it's going. All right, so there's the fire. I mean, I might have to go out there. Hey, Bronx. Are you ready for the snow, Bubba? Are you ready for the snow? Are you ready to play in a snow tubing? Are you, baby? Are you ready to play in the snow? Are you ready, honey, to play in the snow? It's gonna be fun. Oh. Don't eat my ear! Just trying to give you some video for reference. Right now it is 8:30. You can see how much snow is on it. You can still see the walkway. And that's like where a tree is, so it's blocking the snow from falling there. Just to see how much we have here. You can see the snow is just coming down very lightly right now. The snow started about 7 p.m. It's going to last, they're saying, until 7 p.m. tomorrow. I mean, we'll see. I'm excited. I'm excited for the snow. I love the snow. Mike hates the snow.
I do not like the winter. I hate the cold.
Bubba, what do you think? Bubba, you love the snow, right, honey? It was Bubba's 5th birthday the other day. Right, you're 5 now, boo. You big 5-year-old?
You're big 5-year-old cookie dog. Oh my god.
I'm like forgetting what it looked like last time. Okay, we're another hour out. So it's 9:30. Well, that's where we're at right now for this blizzard. Starting to get tired. Should probably drink another coffee. Hey, love. The view from my couch. That's cute.
Wow.
That's great. Yeah. Yeah. It is 10:30. Our pathway is starting to get covered. The spot under the tree is getting covered. Our steps. I can't tell how much snow it is. All those bricks are almost covered. So this is midnight. I was off by a half hour and Mike's asleep, so I might also be asleep. I don't think you're ready for this. We're at 2:30 a.m. This is crazy. The visibility's not far. Guys, we are at 6:30 a.m. right now. I can't even really open my door. Oh my god. Can't even see anything. I told you you're not gonna be happy.
What are we in Alaska?
It's still snowing, right?
The dogs are gonna shit themselves.
Look at the drift around my car. Don't mind the screens. Alright, we're gonna take the dogs out. Oh my god. Bye-bye. Where are the stairs?
Oh my god.
Where are the stairs? Wait. They're like my whole legs. Bubba! Don't jump on me! Bubba, you got it, honey? The snow drifts are crazy. Do you see how he can walk around the tree, or like you could stand where you're standing because of the wind? Because he's pooping.
The guy's some privacy. Oh my god, look at all the ice.
You gotta get your brother too. Baby, can you make it? The fact that it's still snowing.
He's just following the tracks his brother. Oh.
Are you running back, baby? You went back to the door. But it's 8:30 in the morning. Okay, can't get my front door open. Here's the view you're used to seeing. There's the chairs. My dog, man. Oh my god. He's literally in our backyard right now making trails. He's so smart. 10 o'clock right now. Those are the chairs. I can't get out of my front door without. We're gonna have to go around and shovel it. There's been snow drifts, so underneath the tray looks less. You could see it near the car. There's someone coming down the street right now. Literal ice on the inside of our door. He's pulling his 3 kids. Stop this.
It's obviously the morning. I'm picking up where I left off from last night, having that fire. Clearly there's a lot more snow on the ground, which was anticipated for. I know Steph's been going out all night, showing you guys the progression of the actual snow. I'm gonna walk on the side of the house real quick. Look at all this snow. This is insane. Walking backwards just to show you how deep the tracks are. Here's the progression of the igloo. Stay tuned for that video. I'm slowly working on that throughout the day. Looks like they're trying to throw salt down. Oh, we got somebody on a golf cart. That's pretty cool.
It is around 11:30. There's the chairs. I really can't get out of my house. I don't know if I showed that wall, but the wall is completely gone. It's still snowing. Mike is making an igloo. Check out that video of our stay-at-home vlog that's going to be up after this one of what we're doing today during the blizzard. At 1:10. That's the time. It's 1:10. There's our chairs. Our steps are gone. We have no walkway. I think it's supposed to go until 3 now. It was 7. Okay, so it's 1:45. He's going to throw the garbage out. You can see how deep it is. Like up to your knees?
Yeah. For those of you who don't get snow, this is one thing you got to be wary of when you do. You have to make sure that if your furnace or your dryer vent is covered, that you need to uncover them because you could get all those fumes going back into the house and it's not good. I had to unbury this morning, and Steph's been running a few loads of laundry, and the dryer pretty much melted the rest of the snow that's in this area.
It is 3:45. You can see the chairs. It's definitely still snowing right now. 4:17. I think it's finally stopped. You can see it's literally almost as high as the chair. That's how much snow we got. I know that Mike is going to measure the exact total for you. Can't even see the steps.
So it looks like right at 13 inches. Wow.
And my hair is all knotted.
Because you're naughty.
Okay.